Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a review on Hotfro Naturals Chebe powder and the oil. So we're gonna just start by putting a little portion of it into a bowl, and well, in this video I used 2 teaspoons and a half of the Hotfro powder, and I'm gonna mix it with shea butter, and then I'm gonna apply it to my assistant's hair. So as you can see, she has short 4B hair, and the purpose of this video is not really to show growth or anything, but then I mostly use the Chebe butter and the Chebe powder and the oil for length retention. So we are using it on her hair today, and we just want you to join us and try it as well if you like it. So the Chebe powder and the Chebe powder and the butter is mostly used by the people of Chad, mostly the women, to grow their hair, to make it long and to retain length. So in videos I've seen or documentaries I've seen, they literally just mix the powder with other butters and they apply to their hair, the whole length of their hair, and braid it into a simple protective style and keep oiling it from time to time. And the result of this was long, thick and very healthy hair. So I just thought of using my assistant's hair for this video, since I'm pretty sure you guys are tired of seeing my face and my hair all the time. So I really do hope you like this one, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do that and put on post notifications by clicking the bell button in the corner there. And in the course of this Chebe journey, we'll be showing you hair growth, or growth and length retention, either way it all goes, and we just hope you really like it. So this video is sponsored by Hotfro Naturals. You can check them out on Instagram at Hotfro Africa, and you can follow my assistant on Instagram as well at na_.02, and you can follow me as well at KINKYCURLYAFRICA on Instagram. Our videographer is Perdita, and you can check out on Instagram as well at G_Daddy, and it's spelled DZI_DEDI. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the session and you give it a try at home. It's a very simple video and a simple recipe and a process. And I just want to say that when you do this Chebe powder, you need to be covering your hair when you go out, okay? Because when it gets dried, the particles of the powder dry and then they fall into your eyes easily and all that. So for me, I'll advise that when you put it, you cover your hair, especially whilst going out. Just apply a little bit of the oil from time to time and cover your hair with a dome cap, a hairnet, satin bonnet, anything to just retain the moisture in your hair and prevent the particles from falling into your eyes, and probably wear a wig on it or something when you're going out. So that's it. You can see her length is retained, the growth is coming little by little, and she's really loving the result. So if you like it, I really recommend this for you. You can try it and put your feedbacks in the description box, because I really love to read them. So it's been a wonderful time again with you guys. Have a lovely day, and be sure to let me see your progress and try this as well. Bye.